Greetings, Homo sapiens. Today I'm going to be cleaning this laptop. It used to be my daily driver. And now I have this, which I use for gaming and stuff. I totally did not record this after taking the entire thing apart. Basically, what you're going to see is me cleaning it. Let's get to work on this boy. Yeah, this intro's like really long. Okay, so what I've done is I've opened up the window because I'm gonna reconnect them. So yeah. Okay, let's start doing that. Now we have this beautiful boy.
One eternity later.
You guys are actually enjoying my videos, which I doubt. Lying is not allowed on this channel. I will ban. Thank you for 80 subscribers, yo. Man, we're almost at 100, and like, I also do have a Discord. So that's a thing. Graphics die. Can you guys even see what I'm doing? Did you guys not see my CPU covering the... You guys didn't see the... I'm such a good cameraman. What? Sorry. It made crack sound. Didn't like... No, that, Never curse. I'm American. God bless. Okay, let's... Number 1, 2, 3. Number 2, 1, 2, 3. Number 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
One eternity later.
Yo, let's go. Successful repair. Or just cleaning. It wasn't broken. It was functioned perfectly fine. But what do I do now? Oh yeah, I have to plug in the fans. Yeah. See, I'm smart. I have at least 3 IQs. Look at my desktop. You get to have the 4090 in the background. Yo. 4090 background alert. What the fire truck was that? Anyway, now we're adding these boys. They probably have a name. We also have these screws. They look like screws.
One eternity later.
Vacuuming ASMR. Did you like my cute burp? It's the leg ion. It's the leg ion. Yo! It's now totally together. Now we're gonna screw it up. Screw it in. What the fuck? I hope it doesn't just spike up to like 90 degrees. Put in the comments if you have any like ideas to make my content better. Yes, that was 27 minutes of your wasted. Oh, that was 27 minutes of your time. Can you zoom, please? Can you, like, Now I'm testing my computer. I accidentally turned this boy on. That's why the fans are spinning. But, ignore... I'm turning this on just to see that I didn't kill the thing. And look, it works. This is my school account, so... Where's my mouse? Oh, god damn it. I put my keyboard to it. I connected my keyboard instead of my mouse. God darn it. Give me a second. Okay, it hasn't exploded. I think that's okay. Let's see the temperatures. That's pretty good. Honestly, that's not bad. That's really not bad. Oh crap, I just kicked my vacuum. It's using more wattage. It's using 20, and it's at lower temperatures. Let's play some Ready or Not. Also, it's the only game I actually play. Let me get my screen recording on my laptop. Hospital. And see if this 130 FPS will continue when we get in game.
Copy that. Falling in.
Talk to element. Entry team suspects have taken
Head.
Expected.
Police, hands up! Above your head. Police, hands up!
Okay. This really is turning into a gaming channel.
Down on your hands up!
Drop it! Drop your... You no longer have control control of the situation.
Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I hope the audio quality is not absolutely terrible, but if it is, El Bozo. I love you guys, and bye-bye.